Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 console is connected to the internet and has at least 30 gigabytes of free storage space. Head over to the PlayStation Store from your home screen. Use the search bar to find Genshin Impact, and then select the game. It's a free-to-play title, so you can download it without any cost. The download size is approximately 30 gigabytes, so it might take a little while. Once the game is downloaded, launch Genshin Impact from your PlayStation 4 home screen. The game will guide you through linking your PlayStation Network account. For the best experience, including cross-save functionality across different platforms, you'll want to create or link a whole Yoverse account. This step is crucial for saving your progress and accessing your account on other devices. After accepting the terms of service, you'll be ready to dive into the world of Teyvat. As you begin, you'll find yourself in the expansive open world of Teyvat. Exploration is key. Discover new areas, solve puzzles, and interact with non-player characters. Combat involves switching between up to 4 characters in your party, each with unique elemental abilities. Combine these elemental skills and bursts to trigger powerful reactions against enemies. Remember to collect resources, open treasure chests, and complete various quests to advance your adventure. To strengthen your team, focus on character progression. Level up your characters and their weapons using experience materials found throughout Teyvat. Equipping artifacts is vital. These items significantly boost character stats and provide unique set bonuses. Don't forget to complete daily commissions and challenges for consistent rewards. Finally, use Primogems, the in-game currency, to perform wishes and potentially acquire exciting new characters and powerful weapons for your roster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.